With the aid of a sketch, outline variable capacitor symbols, and in this question we are going to use several symbols that we can use to represent a variable capacitor. And to start with number one, we are going to have what we call the trimmer variable capacitor. So we have the trimmer variable capacitor, and trimmer variable capacitor is drawn like this. You have a line across here, but you don't put an arrow, you put a stroke at the end of the line. Then number two, we are going to represent now the ordinary variable capacitor that we know, whereby we draw two parallel lines. We draw the capacitor like that, and we have an arrow crossing through the plates. Then we have number three. We normally draw the capacitors, two capacitors, like that. Then we have to make them variable capacitors. Then after that, we join the two arrows like that, and this kind of a variable capacitor is called a variable gauged capacitor. Gauged capacitor. So those are the symbols that we use to represent a variable capacitor.